Hello grade 5. In this video we're going to learn calculating colored area. So in this video we have the area of a square, rectangle, triangle and disc. So in this video we're going to review subtracting whole numbers and decimals, and we're going to learn how to calculate the colored part of a complex shape. So let's begin by reviewing subtracting two whole numbers. So if we have 2781 and we want to subtract from it 1573, we're starting with the whole part. Can we subtract 3 from the 1? No, because 3 is greater than 1. Then what are we going to do? We're supposed to borrow from the 8. So the 8 becomes a 7 and the 1 becomes 11, and 11 minus 3 is 8. Now 7 minus 7 is 0, 7 minus 5 it's 2, and 2 minus 1 it's 1. Then we're going to count 3 places. So we're going to count 1 place, 2 places, 3 places, then we're going to put a comma. Now subtracting decimals. Let's start reviewing subtracting decimals. So if we have this number 98.376 and I want to subtract from it 73.142. So we said earlier that to subtract two decimal numbers we should be placing the decimal under the decimal. This is the key to have correct answers. So make it always sure that you have these two decimal points arranged under each other, and we subtract normally. So 6 minus 2 it's 4, 7 minus 4 it's 3, 3 minus 1 it's 2, and then directly the decimal point comes down. 8 minus 3 it's 5, and 9 minus 7 it's 2. Now calculating the colored part. So if we have this shape, we said this is a rectangle, we have a length 11 centimeters, width 7 centimeters, and inside it we're going to have this triangle of side 1 3 centimeters and side 2 8 centimeters. What we're going to do in this exercise, we want to find the area of this colored part, the orange part. Okay, as if we got a scissor and we cut this out. Okay, so in this exercise we're going to learn how to find the area of this orange part, as if we cut the black part and we are kept with this orange part. So step number 1. In step number 1 we're going to find the area of the rectangle. We said area of rectangle is length times width. Area of rectangle is 11 centimeters times 7 centimeters. From there, where did we get these dimensions? From here. So this is the length 11, this is the width 7. Again, area of rectangle is 77 centimeters squared. Now step 2. We're going to find in step 2 the area of the triangle. So we said area of triangle is side 1 times side 2 divided by 2. So this is side 1 and this is side 2. So area of triangle is 3 centimeters times 8 centimeters divided by 2. So area of triangle is 24 centimeters squared divided by 2. So area of triangle is 12 centimeters squared. Now, what are we supposed to do in step number 3? In step number 3 we said, mainly in this exercise, as if we are cutting this triangle. The idea of cutting, it means what? It means we are subtracting, we are taking away this shape. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to say in step 3, colored area is area of rectangle minus area of triangle, so we are cutting the area of triangle. So this is 77 centimeters squared minus 12 centimeters squared. Again, from where did we get these numbers? From here. So we took the answer from step 1 and the answer from step 2, then we subtracted both answers. Why did we subtract? Because we want to take this off. Taking this off the shape means we are subtracting. So the answer is 65 centimeter squared. Another example in calculating colored part. So now we have this. This is a what? This is a square. We said square, we have 4 equal sides. Each side equals to 12 centimeters. Inside it, what do we have? We have a disc. Okay, so in the disc we have radius 3 centimeters, and we said the pi is always a 3.14. Again, in this exercise, as if we are doing what? As if we are cutting the disc, taking this away, keeping only the orange part, the area of the orange part. We want to find the area of this orange part. Okay, so step number 1, we're going to find what? Area of square, which is side times side. Area of square is 12 centimeters times 12 centimeters. Again, from where did we get the 12? From the figure. This is the side, 12 centimeters. Again, so 12 times 12 is 144 centimeters squared. Now step 2. Again, in step 2, we're finding the area of the second shape, which is the disc. So area of disc equals pi times r times r. So area of disc is 3.14 times 3 times 3. We're starting with multiplying these two numbers, and area of disc is 9.42 centimeters times 3. From where did we get 9.42? From multiplying these two numbers. And the answer is 28.26 centimeters squared. Again, what we did was the following. We found the area of the square, then the area of a disc. Now we're going as if we are cutting this disc, as if we are cutting this shape, because we want to find the area of the orange part only. Okay, so in step 3, we're going to do the following. Cutting means subtracting. We're going to find colored area equals area square minus area disc. So area, colored area is 144 minus 28.26. Again, from where did we get these two numbers? From step 1 and step 2. Now over here we have a whole number. Over here we have a decimal number. Remember? We remember when we said every whole number, next to it there's a decimal point that I cannot see. This is how we're going to subtract. We're supposed to put over here a decimal point and a 0. So put next to it 0.00, and on a scratch paper subtract them, and the answer is going to be 115.74. Wrapping things up, whenever we want to find the area of the colored part, you find the area of the big shape, then you find the area of the shape that's inside it, then we're going to subtract. So mainly we found the area of the colored part, the orange part, as if we cut the black part, the part of the disc. And summer is here, and let's start planning for it. Bye.